Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick review on the Louis Vuitton Nano Noir and just telling you guys how I managed to get not just one, but actually two Nano Noir. I know it's crazy, but I'll explain the reason how I managed to get it right now. So with this Nano Noir, it's obviously very hard to come by, and I honestly have been stalking on the page for this particular bag ever since I got my Pochette Métis. So if you guys haven't checked out how I got my Pochette Métis, I'll put it up here for you guys to check out as well. But basically it's just stalking the page like crazy, guys. So I would just leave it on my browser and just keep refreshing it like before I go to sleep, and then see whether it actually comes available. One day I went to sleep about 3 in the morning. I know it's crazy, but we went for a party, came home, and I was like, you know what, let's just give a quick browse before I go for my sleep. And then straight away the black thing just went straight into add to bag, and I was like, wait, hang on a minute. I quickly showed my husband. I was like, are you saying what I'm saying, or am I just being sleepy? And he was like, no, it says add to bag. So I quickly just add to bag and purchase it. And at first I thought it didn't go through because it took about 5 days to actually process it. It actually took a really long time to process. Also took quite a while to actually ship it out, probably a week to ship it out. But then once it's been shipped out, only took about like 2 days to actually deliver here. Now this one actually came from Australia, and the second one that I got actually came from Singapore, which I'll tell you guys my little thoughts about the way they package the stuff. In regards of the packaging, I feel like of the bag is super adorable. I honestly don't know how people tie it up as a ribbon, but I decided to tie it up as a knot so that it's easy for me to actually pull it apart like this and actually tighten it whenever I want to without worrying about straining this ribbon here. I just feel like putting it as a bow, it actually gives like a little dent on the strip or ribbon here, which I don't want that to happen. So putting a knot like this, I think is really cute and also a little bit different. So I'll put the link down below how I learned how to do this knot down here, because obviously I'm not gonna take credit of that. I also put a little like a bubble wrap in here to keep the shape, because when it arrived, it actually arrived quite flat, so they didn't actually put anything inside to support this bag at all. But yeah, so yeah, this is how the bag look like. I'm sure you guys have seen this many times, but I actually really like how lightweight this is, how, you know, like it's actually not that small the more I look at it, because you can actually put a decent amount of products in here, which I'll show you guys now as well. So I'll pull out my bubble wrap because I've put the knot. This is probably the biggest of how I can actually open up. So what I can put in here is my Gucci card holder, just slot it in, and then a bag of like my lipstick, cotton bud, glue stick, like all my makeup essentials in here as well. And then I got like a cushion puff, just drop that in, and then my phone. Once I'm done with this, I just pull everything and voila, it just stays like this. And even like carrying this, it doesn't feel heavy at all, but I would say this is the maximum amount of product that I will put. If you want to put like the power bank, you can also do it, because not often do I leave my phone in this bag anyway. I usually have it in my jacket or like my pocket, depending what outfit I wear. But usually I would just have this amount of product. And I actually took this with me on my shop weekend trip away just the other day, and I find it very convenient to just actually grab the stuff out in and out from this bag, especially with this knot thing. It was easy to actually pull it out. I didn't even worry about, you know, having things tipped down at all, because I was concerned about how this was left open. But this actually felt really good and very easy to wear. So yeah, definitely very happy with this. So on to the reason why I got a second Nano Noir, and the reason for this is because we couldn't believe how easy it was of like how easy it was for me to actually purchase it. And when during my lunchtime, I still had it on my browser, and suddenly the browser just went into add to bag again, and I was like, okay, this is crazy, like why is it showing that it's adding to bag again? And this time it was about 1 p.m. and so I quickly sent the link to my husband. I was like, look, it's actually available again. And then by the time he looked, he was like, no, it's not. And I was like, oh, okay, maybe it's probably a glitch. And then probably 5 minutes later, he messaged me. He was like, oh, I got the bag. And I was like, nah, you didn't get the bag. And he was like, no, I got the bag. But the process didn't go through, nothing. So that was another glitch. And then when I finished work, so that's like 2 hours later, this went back online again. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna hit add to bag, because I had spoken to one of my friends and she was interested in buying this, but didn't get the chance to buy it when, you know, we sent the link to her, and that's why we were trying to like buy it. And then I actually bought it. So yeah, but I'm not sure if she still wants it, but I will show you guys, you know, the packaging here before I actually sell it off again. But yeah, this, I just thought that it would be good, you know, add it and then just sell it, you know, for the same price to somebody that really want it but don't have the chance to always see the page. So yeah, that's just my thought. But I found it very easy to actually get the bag. But after trying it for the second time, it hasn't become available whether at midnight or at 1 p.m. So I feel like the time just ranges depending, I don't know, depending on when they want to actually release it, if that makes sense. I think it's all based on luck, but my recommendation is definitely leave it on your browser, and if you're really interested in it, just definitely check the website regularly. I'm trying to do this for a couple more items on the Louis Vuitton website as well, so fingers crossed I managed to do that again, but we'll see how we go. But I'll show you guys how the box looked like. And with my first purchase of the Nano Noir, this actually came with a LV like purchase bag as well, but the one from Singapore, nothing came through, just the box and the receipt, but no Louis Vuitton shopping bag. Just want to give you guys my thought. And also they didn't give me the tracking number as well, which I find a bit odd because they didn't notify me that they were gonna send the product. So yeah, we'll see. This is how it looks like. Comes with a beautiful ribbon on the top as well. I think this is my first square box, Louis Vuitton box, because most of my boxes are all like rectangle. And then when you open it up, you get the bag, and then on the box it also comes with the receipt. And this is how the second one look like. So as you can see, when it comes really flat, but I've seen some reviews on people when they open it out, it has like the beautiful ribbon, it looks all puffy and stuff, but mine just came flat like this, as you can see. So yeah, so this is the second one, and this is my first one. So yeah, so I guess you can see the difference of how it looks like after it's all scrunched up. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my review and hearing my experience of how I got the Nano Noir. Let me know if you guys have got it, how easy it was for you guys to actually get this, whether you bought it online or in store, or were you on the waiting list. Let me know down below. I will be interested to hear your experience, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.